So tanggal na lahat ng bolts. Moment of truth. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. Ang linis. Ang linis. Yan muna. Alright. So, ito yung nagkakos ng leak. So, masyado ng pressed. Yung tornilyo rito, dito na lumalabas yung langis. Still, for 2 years, after general cleaning, sariwa, linis. Oh ha? Diesel oil. Bihira ako mag fully synthetic. Mahal eh. Diesel oil lang. Petron. Okay, palit tayo valve cover gasket. Itong valve cover gasket, yan, sasalpak natin dyan.